Alright guys, in this series of videos I'm going to try to make a version of the Beyond Burger plant-based. As you can see here, this is one of the most popular kinds of burgers you can have. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to get the same kind of texture, or maybe not even the same kind of color, but I will do my best. And I'm going to use some very random ingredients you wouldn't expect, such as firm tofu instead of the soft one that I use for the pancakes. I will probably use some beans. I may use some kimchi or some cabbage or some potatoes. I don't know yet. We'll see whatever I can get out of it. I was thinking about black beans, but this product here is absolutely terrible. I don't know why. It's dunked in this sauce, and I would have to use something like cooking wine or like other ingredients to get that flavor out. So I'm not a big fan of this one. I am, however, a big fan of this one, as well as this Chinese version here with this very famous lady in the front. So we'll see. I'll do a few experiments to see what can come out of all this. And it's another good sauce if you want to give some spice to your creation. And we'll see if anything good comes out of it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.